This is one of the coolest things I think I've ever seen. And this guy's not playing around. His wings are what caught my attention because I saw him as I was just about to come around. I saw him fly over here. I guess he got something good here that he's munching on, but whoa. I think the crows are talking about it too. He got a good one. Must be a rabbit or something. Crazy. I've never been this close to, in nature, in natural setting, to a bird of this. Oh yeah, there's this crow buddy up there waiting on his leftovers. Oh God, this is fucking awesome, man. Okay, I gotta go. Oh my God, I've never been this. Yeah, I hear you up there. Yeah. Okay. You guys got it all sorted out here. Okay, I'm going on my way. Okay.